coconut into circulation. Some beans. These have already been soaked and dried in nice and plump too. And that's up two full yellow onions, and let them soak overnight. And then I put them in the refrigerator. Okay, so it's about probably like 4 cups, 4 or 5 cups. And I come on my turkey bag with some Goya garlic powder, tortilla, and some onion powder. So that's all at the bottom. This feels good. It's a seasoning by itself. And then right after this, I'm gonna put in the beans in. I want to taste that so bad. See that? One second. Okay, I got my measuring cup actually messed up. To this top line, I'll show you. This is 1 cup, that's 2 cups, so that's 2 cups. I'm going to put another layer in there. Make the flavor get out. Alright, just going to put the water in and let it simmer. Okay, so I'm getting my water. Add in 2, 3, 6. try to make it come all the way up. Okay. So we have how many here? 5. Yeah, we have 5 legs in here. And that is Great Northern. Those are the Great Northern beans. And mix up because it's not hot. I'm gonna mix it around a little bit. Great Northern and pinto. So this is 12 cups of beans, 16 cups of water. I put in 2 full yellow onions. I diced it up already. God, it smells good already. And I'm gonna show you the seasoning that I already use. So, hold on one second. Hold on. So this is what I used. I just sprinkled it in to coat the bottom. And I used 3 of these and 1 of these. For some reason, I don't really know the difference in the taste right now, but I'll let you know later. But I'm trying to see what is it. If y'all know the difference, then let me know. But I'm gonna do this, and it's 9:17 on my time, Eastern Standard Time this morning. And oh, sorry, because I have my clock 10 minutes fast. See, it says only 9:07 on Sunday, August the 9th, and today is my mama's birthday, and I wish she was here so I could fix her something to eat. Anyway, we have it there. This is for the eye in the front. We're going to turn this down to number 4 so it can start, so it can simmer. Okay, simmer for about, this is about 6 hours. But we're going to check on it throughout the day. Jesus, it smells good already. Okay, so I'll be back later. Stay tuned. Oh, please like and subscribe. And leave comments, suggestions. What do you do to fix your northern beans and all that good stuff with the smoked turkey necks? Because I couldn't find no turkey necks, so I got the turkey legs. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.